or let me say subdirectorates. We've got ELD&M, which is Educator Leadership Development and Management. We call it ELD&M. We also have got EPD, which is Educator Professional Development. But then one leg was also assigned to us, which has to do with the district teacher development centers, which makes teacher development to have 3 legs. The teacher development centers are regarded as the sites that provide professional teacher development training at district level. Now, what then is our mandate? Whatever that we are doing, it is guided by this document, which is an integrated strategic planning framework for teacher education and development. I remember when I first joined teacher development, one of my colleagues gave me a Archiva file, which was huge. It had a number of documents that had to do with ISPF TED, this document. And then he said, when are you going to be responsible for ISPF TED? And then I felt like going back where I was coming from, because I was looking at this file, and upon going through this file, I discovered that this was just a framework. Why do you say a person is going to be responsible for ISPF TED? Because ISPF TED is not a program. But it's part of the initiation that you get when you join the section. But in a nutshell, I'm saying whatever that we do as teacher development, we are guided by this document, which currently, because I'm fully outdated, currently this document is under review, because it was developed it came into existence in 2011. It says Mawilika Dela Uti 2011 to 2025. So since 2025, right now the Department of Basic Education is reviewing the document to see whether we've been able to implement what is captured in the ISPF 10.